South Korea. And we're gonna go shopping. It's really cold outside. Seemingly. So that's why we're bundled up. We're in the same coat forever, so maybe... Well, I probably shouldn't buy another coat. It's not ever gonna fit in my luggage. I already had to buy another piece of luggage just to bring back all the stuff that I bought in Japan. So, wish me luck.
Good luck.
Bye. It's crazy in here. It's very busy. That's interesting. It's called a doki buffet. You get your own food there, and all your own toppings. Here you have 1.5 hours to eat everything, and you get charged if you leave food behind. So you better get yours. Did it say it has like levels on them?
One chili.
Oh god.
That's gotta be wrong.
So this is my breakfast, broccoli and rice. There's 2 orders. I didn't know it was going to be this big, but I've been having kind of a hard time finding food to eat here. Room service sold out of a bunch of things yesterday, so this is what I'm ordering for breakfast. I bought some convenience store eggs and a sweet potato from the guy at the stall. And that's going to be my breakfast. Which actually sounds really good, so don't feel bad for me. Outfit for the day. It's an all purple number. I got the parts in different places. The pants are from Snidel in Tokyo. This top is from Cause when we were in Icon Siam in Bangkok. And these glasses are also from Bangkok, but they're made by a Tokyo brand. I forgot the name. I'll put it somewhere. Yeah, I like it. And then I also got a coat to go over it. It's a shearling coat from a store in Harajuku called Reina something. But it's really cold here. Hopefully this is warm enough. I have tights underneath, heat tech tights underneath these pants, so we're gonna go to Hongdae today. They gave us little designated stations. Oscar's working at the desk. And I have a place to put my makeup on. In Tokyo I had to sit on the floor or just stand in the bathroom, but this is nice. I already messed it up, but you get the idea. I've been eating sweet potatoes nonstop, anywhere I can find them. I'm rationing this out in case the sweet potato guy isn't in Myeongdong tonight. Maybe that was just a weekend thing. It's so good. So, this potato's not as good as the potato from yesterday. Well. We went to the mall. They had a collaboration with 3CE and Maison Kitsune. Can you see that? No, it's not focusing there. It's a lip balm, no, lip color. And then I got a bunch of face masks for my friend Cassandra. And this leopard skirt. Oh my god, okay. Which I'm gonna wear tomorrow. And more sweet potatoes. Surprise, surprise. We're gonna watch some whatever this is and go to bed. Today is our last day in Seoul, South Korea. It's kind of rainy today. I don't know if you can see that. Cloudy. We're gonna go up to that tower today. I think it's called the Seoul Tower. I'll find out later. I was there last year, but Oscar hasn't been, so we're gonna go up there. And then I think we're just gonna do some more shopping because we're connected to the Lotte Department Center. No, wait, what? To the Lotte Department Store and the Young Plaza, the Lotte Young Plaza, which we were at yesterday. And I found some really cool stuff, and the makeup that I've gotten here so far has been really good. So I think I'm gonna go stock up on some more and maybe get some clothes, which I haven't been able to find here. It's been like hard to shop because it's, you know, the winter here in Korea, and over back in LA, you know, I'm never gonna use these like gigantic coats. And like every store has these huge puffers and thick coats and heavy jackets, and I can't even fit them in my suitcase. So like every time I shop I have to think about like, okay, like how much room do I have left in my suitcase to put this stuff in, because I'm gonna run out pretty soon and then it's gonna be overweight and then like another fee at the airport, so I don't want to have to deal with that. I already bought another luggage thing just for our souvenirs, which I end up doing every year. I try to avoid that, but it just happens, so yeah. We might even go to see a movie, maybe Fantastic Beasts. We don't know if it's going to be like English with Korean subtitles or dubbed from English into Korean, but we'll find out when we get there. Some tights from Uniqlo when I was in Japan, because I knew I would need them. This skirt I actually got yesterday at the Lotte department store, or I think it was called Avenue L actually. There's a store called 8 Seconds. Don't quote me on that, I think that's what it's called. But it's just a leopard skirt. Is it leopard? Giraffe? I don't know. And this is a top I got in Paris actually from the Couples. It was on sale. And then this is the hat that I got in Kyoto. And what's the brand? I'll write it, but it's so cool. I don't know if you can get to see the detail on the hat. I love it so much. But the only problem with buying a hat is that you have to, when you're traveling, is that you have to wear it on the plane or everywhere you go. And we're going like stopping in a lot of countries, so I've been having to wear this hat a lot. Same with that teddy bear coat. It's too big to pack in the suitcase, so I have to wear it every time. But yeah, that's what you gotta do.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. The love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows.
So these are everybody's love locks on the tower. Oh, we should write like 2018 or something.
Put USA, USA.
Do you want me to write that on the side?
And then put at Instagram, blah, blah, blah.
Hey guys, promo code for 10% off locks.
Check the QR.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
What do I put on the back? Nothing? I tried love you. Yay. Simple. Okay. You put it on. Oh wait, where's the key? You have to You gotta open it. Got it, got it. It's actually really long. I guess you have to because there's so many locks on here.
I think they designed it that way.
Oh, there you go. Here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nope.
Nope.
Let's go with where? There? Is that weird? And this doesn't work.
Here, put it over here. Put it like dingling down.
Okay. I want it close. Is our lock broken, guys? Oh, there. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh,
We did it!
yeah.
I came here by myself last time. It was really sad. There were a lot of couples. But now Oscar's here. Yay! Nice morning this morning. It's supposed to rain today, but it doesn't feel like it. Gosh, the second I say that, it's gonna rain. But it's nice up here. We're going up. What's going on? Shocking stuff. Cloudy out there. There's Korea. Los Angeles.
USA, 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 USA.
It's too bad it's so cloudy. It's actually, the view goes on very far. These are embroidered. That's so cute.
I got the Pepsi flag.
It's not Pepsi.
I love Pepsi out here. Why did in this? Okay, proceed. In the fridge in the hotel room, Pepsi, not Coke.
Yeah. Okay. Is this like your conspiracy theory about Korea?
Yeah.
We're gonna go watch a movie. No. We're gonna go watch Fantastic Beasts. Look at all these cool snacks they have. Like grilled squid, nachos, this cheesy Foley thing, and like all this cool flavored popcorn. Now the problem is, we don't know how to read which theater we're in. Found out the theater? What? Oh, there it is. Whoa, this is a crazy theater. Look at this. Well, this part feels like any other theater at home. What are you doing? I'm not your trash can.
I'm in love.